باسم من يقول لشيء كن فيكون.
إنما أمره إذا أراد شيئا أن يقول له كن فيكون.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the heart of Mecca, at the most sacred site in Islam, a voice has echoed through the centuries, calling the faithful to prayer. And for over 4 decades, one man's voice has become synonymous with that call. Ali Ahmad Mulla, born on the 5th of July 1947. He is one of the most iconic muazzin, callers to prayer, in the modern history of Masjid al-Haram. Revered across the Muslim world, his call to prayer is instantly recognizable, stirring hearts in every corner of the globe. Since officially becoming a muazzin in 1978, he has served faithfully for more than 40 years, making him the longest serving muazzin at Masjid al-Haram. But his journey began much earlier. Ali Ahmad Mulla was just 14 years old when he first raised his voice in the mosque, stepping in for his relatives. His maternal uncle, Abdul Hafiz Khawja, his paternal uncle, Abdul Rahman Mulla, and his grandfather, Ahmad Mulla, each of whom had been muazzins before. This wasn't merely a personal path, it was a family tradition passed from generation to generation. In those early days, before the era of loudspeakers, the Adhan was performed from the mosque's 7 minarets. Among them, Bab al-Umrah, Bab al-Ziyarah, Bab al-Hikmah. The chief muazzin stationed near the Zamzam well at Maqam al-Shafi'i would begin the Adhan. His words were then repeated in a powerful wave of voices from each minaret, completing a sacred tradition rooted in the Ottoman practice, a tradition still observed in places like Turkey. In 1970, Ali Mulla graduated from the Institute of Technical Education in Riyadh and briefly worked as a teacher at Abdullah ibn Zubayr Intermediate School. But it was his role as a muazzin that would define his life. He has even had the rare honor of performing the Adhan at Masjid al-Nabawi in Medina, the second holiest mosque in Islam. He once described calling Adhan at Masjid al-Haram as one of the greatest honors of his life. Beyond the mosque, Ali Ahmad Mulla runs his own business and has been married multiple times. He is also a father to many children. Among them, Atif ibn Ali Ahmad Mulla, who made his debut as a muazzin at the Masjid al-Haram on the 4th of April 2022, carrying forward the family legacy. From a young voice echoing through minarets to a global symbol of devotion and tradition, Ali Ahmad Mulla's legacy is more than history. It is a living sound, a call that continues to inspire millions to turn their hearts to Allah. If you enjoy watching our videos, do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more stories that bring Islamic history and heritage to life. Your support helps us share the voices, moments, and traditions that inspire the Ummah. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.